$100 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and we'll be checking these out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content I am sharing from here, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay guys, these are some of the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve it. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay, so guys, this is boom 1000. Boom 1000 has actually been on a very strong uptrend right from this support until this very moment. The good thing about this is that for those that are having my latest trading tool, the EA, will have milked this market successfully without even reading the charts, because the EA is fully automated. Okay, some of you that are on the Telegram channel will have seen some of the trading results posted there, trading the spikes in boom 1000. And of course, for those of you who are having the custom made indicator, will have also made the market successful, just that you will have to place the trade manually. Okay, because this has actually given us an uptrend signal right from this support zone. So all we just need to do is just to follow the signal, and of course you can see it is still buying at the moment. So this is on a very strong uptrend, and it is going to go for a while. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So let's move on to the next asset. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right now. Okay, so this is boom 500, and of course, just the way we are saying this actually went on downtrend right from here till it got to this support zone. It was unable to break out below the support zone, so it tried to go back on uptrend, but it was unable to go above this resistance zone. So it will be trying it out again. If it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more. So this should be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. This is crash 1000. Crash 1000 actually started an uptrend right from here, and it is buying at the moment and still buying right now. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity at the moment. Okay, so next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out together. This is crash 500. It was on uptrend before, but after getting to this resistance zone, wasn't able to go above that, so it started a downtrend right from there. So it is selling at the moment. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So let's check out volatility 75. Okay guys, this is volatility 75, and of course it was on downtrend before, but after getting to this support zone, it was unable to go below that, so it started an uptrend, and it is still buying at the moment. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, so guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and follow the signal on the indicator. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.